Nature and architecture in harmony, charming med home featuring stunning courtyard design. Nestled within the serene embrace of a vibrant Mediterranean landscape, this delightful home exemplifies the timeless elegance and harmonious interplay between nature and architecture. The residence, with its meticulous design, serves not merely as a shelter but as a testament to the beauty that arises when human creativity works in tandem with the natural world. The architecture itself is a celebration of the Mediterranean ethos, characterized by warm earth tones, textured stone walls, and terracotta-tiled roofs, seamlessly blending with the surrounding environment. This aesthetic choice not only pays homage to traditional Mediterranean design, but also fosters a comforting sense of continuity and belonging. The structure's layout is intentional, designed to maximize interaction with the natural elements that define the region's splendor. A dialogue between indoor and outdoor spaces that blurs boundaries and invites nature into daily life. At the heart of this charming abode lies the stunning courtyard, a quintessential feature in Mediterranean homes that evokes an oasis of tranquility. This central outdoor space acts as the lungs of the home, offering a serene respite where the residents can immerse themselves in the beauty of nature, shielded from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. It is here that the genius of the architectural design truly shines, with a layout that promotes fluidity and openness, allowing light and air to permeate every corner of the residence. The courtyard is an idyllic retreat adorned with verdant foliage, fragrant blossoms, and perhaps a gently trickling fountain, all of which create a harmonious soundscape that enhances the sense of peace. Potted citrus trees might add splashes of color and a hint of zesty aroma, while climbing vines weave their way around pillars and trellises, forging a living tapestry that changes with the seasons. Such design elements invite the ever-shifting light to dance across surfaces, casting playful shadows that breathe life into the space. This blend of architectural and natural elements extends beyond mere aesthetics. It plays a practical role in creating a microclimate that naturally regulates temperature and airflow. Thick walls provide insulation against the summer heat, while strategic window placements allow for cross-ventilation, harnessing the cooling sea breezes typical of the Mediterranean region. These time-honored techniques showcase a deep understanding of the local climate and a commitment to sustainable living, a philosophy that respects and nurtures the environment. The home's integration of indoor and outdoor spaces is masterful, creating a living experience that is both exhilarating and grounding. Wide, inviting doorways and expansive windows erase the divide between garden and living room, allowing the splendor of nature to serve as a backdrop to everyday activities. This constant visual and sensory connection to the natural world inspires a lifestyle imbued with serenity and appreciation. This charming Mediterranean residence is more than just a beautiful structure. It is a living organism that breathes, flourishes, and evolves in tandem with its environment. It stands as a beacon of what can be achieved through thoughtful, sensitive design and architecture that not only coexists with nature but actively celebrates and enhances it. In an ever-urbanized world, such homes serve as poignant reminders of the profound joy and peace found in aligning our built environments with the rhythms of the natural world, offering inspiration for future creations that honor both tradition and innovation. Summer-ready tiny Mediterranean side yard, rustic outdoor kitchen and vintage pergola charm. As the warm breeze of summer begins to sweep through the air, there's nothing quite like the allure of spending long, lazy afternoons in a beautifully designed outdoor space. Picture a tiny Mediterranean side yard, tucked away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, awaiting to be transformed into a rustic paradise that exudes vintage charm. The first thing that catches your eye as you step into this enchanting space is the rustic outdoor kitchen. Crafted from weathered wood and rough-hewn stone, the kitchen blends seamlessly with its Mediterranean surroundings. A wood-fired pizza oven stands proudly at one end, sending hints of savory aromas wafting through the air. A charming farmhouse sink sits beneath a trellis adorned with blooming vines, offering a picturesque spot for washing freshly picked herbs and vegetables. The countertops, made from reclaimed wood, provide ample space for prepping and serving delicious meals. Rustic open shelving displays an array of colorful ceramic dishes and vintage kitchenware, adding a touch of nostalgia to the space. A built-in grill with a copper hood gleams in the sunlight, ready to sizzle up an assortment of grilled delights. In the corner of the kitchen, a small herb garden thrives in terracotta pots, imbuing the air with the fresh scent of basil, rosemary, and mint. A quaint wrought iron bistro set offers a cozy spot for enjoying morning coffee or a glass of wine at sunset, surrounded by the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. Moving beyond the kitchen, your gaze is drawn to the vintage pergola that provides a shady retreat from the sun's rays. A weathered wooden structure adorned with twining vines and hanging lanterns, the pergola adds a touch of old-world charm to the space. Overhead, a canopy of grapevines provides dappled shade, creating a cool oasis on even the hottest of days. Beneath the pergola, a handcrafted dining table is set with mismatched chairs, each with its own unique charm. A colorful table runner, woven from Mediterranean textiles, adds a pop of vibrant color to the neutral palette of the space. Overhead, strings of twinkling lights create a magical ambience, casting a warm glow as day turns to dusk. Surrounding the pergola, a profusion of greenery spills over terracotta pots and wooden planters, creating a lush backdrop for the outdoor space. Fragrant lavender bushes line the perimeter, attracting bees and butterflies with their fragrant blooms. Climbing roses wind their way up trellises, their delicate petals adding a touch of romance to the scene. To one side of the pergola, a cozy seating area beckons with overstuffed cushions and pillows in shades of turquoise and seafoam green. A vintage rattan love seat provides a comfortable spot for lounging, while a hand-painted ceramic side table offers a place to set down a cold drink or a good book. Nearby, a bubbling fountain adds a soothing soundtrack to the space, its gentle trickle creating a sense of calm and serenity. The sound of water combined with the sweet scent of jasmine and honeysuckle creates a sensory experience that transports you to a tranquil oasis in the heart of the Mediterranean. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the tiny side yard, you can't help but feel a sense of contentment and peace wash over you. This summer-ready outdoor kitchen and vintage pergola charm beckons you to linger a little longer, savoring the magic of a Mediterranean-inspired retreat in your own backyard. In conclusion, the combination of a rustic outdoor kitchen, vintage pergola charm, and Mediterranean-inspired design elements creates a summer-ready oasis that is both inviting and enchanting. With its blend of natural materials, lush greenery, and timeless charm, this tiny side yard is the perfect retreat for enjoying the lazy days of summer in style.